What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Won't you join me for a romantic candlelit evening? Well, if you are still here, you are obviously saying yes. So, welcome. Hey, I just bought these. I got these on Etsy. They're actually from a store called Rustic Rays. And that's because the owner's name is Rachel. Rustic Rays, right here in Illinois, they are made, and these are soy candles. They have wonderful scents. I picked up a handful of these because I thought I would try them. They're not expensive, but if you like candles around your house, you probably have picked some up with a variety of scents. And so she has everything from lavender to vanilla. What else do we have here? Egyptian amber, cake. I gotta try that one. Spiced apples. Who doesn't like that here in the fall? Sandalwood. Yes. Coffee bean, I think I'm going to give that thing a shot, and creme brulee. Hopefully I don't stick my tongue in that, and sweet peach. So these are pretty awesome. Now, first of all, soy is just got to be the most versatile thing ever. I can't believe you can make everything from food to candles. Now, this one is the coffee bean, and as you can see there, I think they have like a 48-hour burn time. It's a beautiful kind of a sandblasted metal tin with a soy candle in there and a wick. Oh my gosh, that smells great. It smells like coffee ice cream. All right. So we'll check that out. And cake, this one is I'm fascinated by because who doesn't love cake? You know, that's funny. It smells like a candle, but it smells like cake too. That Egyptian amber, I'm not sure what that is. Whenever I hear amber, I think of dino DNA. The mosquitoes getting caught in amber. Wow, this is a really nice floral scent. I'm really not actually sure what amber is. Vanilla, dude, wow. Dude, get this vanilla. That is a strong, wonderful vanilla scent. Lavender, definitely smells like lavender. Spiced apples. Wow, that smells like apple cider. So I'm pretty crazy about that. Creme brulee, it does. That's the weird thing. I don't even know what sandalwood is. It smells a little like clean soap. That's kind of nice. And sweet peach. Will this smell like peach? It does! That is awesome. So let me tell you, these things are a good deal. $10 a piece. They even have little imprinted, punched out feet here, so it's going to hover over your table a little bit. And now, boom! I'm going to try one of these bad boys out. Light it up. Ooh, fire. Coffee bean. Oh my gosh. Just letting it go. I'm gonna try the cake too, baby. These things are made by hand. Awesome. They look great. They would fit a modern home. Holy smokes, they put out some amazing scents. And like I said, $10 each. Order the whole set. I didn't even get them all. Some of them were sold out, which is crazy. So people are buying these things, and I love them. You know, I feel like I should reach out to Rustic Rays and be like, let's make some man-scented candles like engine oil and campfire and body sweat. Whatever. I think she's onto something by sticking with the traditional winners here. So if you want to pick these up, I will put a link to them in the description. Scented candles are great, but these beautiful tins, beautiful labels, just this nice rustic Midwestern look, I think, is fantastic. Check it out. Link in the description. Pick them up. Peter Von Panda. Out.